Alright, today, November the 3rd, I finally get my car out of the shop with a complete engine rebuilt. We'll see it in a few minutes.
How you like this car?
Alright, let's turn it on. The original miles 283,842. That's when I decided to get a complete engine rebuilt, and I just turned the car on. Man, but my car needs to needs a cleaning. I need to clean it up, and I need a new windshield because it's cracked. Let's go take a look at the engine. Let's see, let me open it. There's the engine. It's a new rebuilt. Everything is, I got this the engine from a junkyard. The engine had it came out on 89 Honda Prelude. This is an 88, but they're the same engine, same type of engine, 2.0 fuel injection. And this engine had 113,000 miles at the junkyard. There we go. So it sounds alright. And time to go for a spin. Time to take it for a ride. Alright. We'll be back. So let's see how it drives. Yeah? Yeah? Second gear. Pretty good. Alright. Going into second gear. I don't know why that noise sounds different from Honda. That one. That one. And alright, we can make it. still have that door open door light on. I don't know why. It's been like that since 2004, I believe, or 2003. All right, next video. I need to turn.